To troubleshoot Best Egg versus Prosper. Start by understanding what each platform offers. Best Egg and Prosper are peer-to-peer lending platforms that connect borrowers with investors. Best Egg provides personal loans with fixed interest rates, while Prosper offers personal loans with fixed interest rates and a wider range of loan terms. Step 1. Review the loan terms and conditions on each platform. Best Egg offers loans from $5,000 to $50,000, with repayment terms of 3 to 5 years. Prosper offers loans from $2,000 to $40,000, with repayment terms of 3 to 5 years. Consider your financial needs and choose the platform that best fits your requirements. Step 2. Evaluate the interest rates and fees. Best Egg interest rates range from 5.99% to 29.99%, while Prosper interest rates range from 6.99% to 35.99%. Both platforms charge origination fees, which can range from 0.99% to 4.99% of the loan amount. Step 3. Assess the credit requirements. Best Egg requires a minimum credit score of 700. While Prosper requires a minimum credit score of 640. Consider your credit score and choose the platform that you are most likely to qualify for. To troubleshoot any issues, review your loan application and ensure all information is accurate and complete. If you are having trouble qualifying for a loan, consider improving your credit score or applying for a smaller loan amount. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot Best Egg versus Prosper and make an informed decision about which platform is best for your financial needs. Remember to carefully review the loan terms and conditions, evaluate the interest rates and fees, and assess the credit requirements before making a decision.